Alright, so remember how I said we're gonna make this diesel? And we're gonna go ahead and put like bigger axles on it. Yep, we're doing that in this video. And then we're gonna take it for another test drive. And hopefully it works well and goes as planned. So heavy duty, yep. And heavy duty, yep. Dang it, bro, I just don't have enough for what I was gonna do. Alright, I'll just cut back here in a few seconds. I'm gonna go grab
some gold, because I literally just need 100 so I can put the perfect tune on this. So yep, be back in a second.
Alright, so now I have enough gold to get what I wanted, so we're just going to go ahead and go to dyno and perfect tuning. And let's go ahead and run the dyno and see how she'll do. Dang, alright, that's okay, that's okay. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. For a big jacked up work looking truck like this. Normally, you also have the rear jacked up a little bit more for like towing and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. A little bit, not that far that you can't really even notice it. And when you're on the gas, you're really not gonna be able to notice it. So yeah. I guess let's go ahead and test her out. Where we got it from. Alright, so we're here. Where we got it from, upgraded is, and we're gonna go ahead and take it over to that junkyard and see if any of the people there notice it. If anyone's even there today. I doubt there is. Oh God. Oof. Alright. So, yep, there's literally no one here. Normally there's someone sitting out here. Yeah, the last when I picked this truck up, there was no one here. Which I don't really care then, but crap, that was in rear wheel drive that whole time. So the front has really good flex, but the rear is really stiff. That way when we're towing something, it doesn't just drag the whole rear into the ground, basically. But that's really all for that place, I guess. Let's go ahead and, holy, I guess let's go ahead and do like a test on speed or something. The reason I said holy is because of lightning. Because I am recording this while it's raining, and there is a really bad lightning right now. So yeah. God, this is already 3 times faster than it was with that freaking gasp. Holy, bro. Holy. We gonna get hit 200 with a freaking diesel? No, 155, 155. Okay. Bro, I thought we were finna hit freaking 200 with a goddamn diesel. I was finna freaking say, bro. Yes, I did pay an extra $10,000 just for diesel, just to have this thing diesel swapped, and well, that's actually not even that bad. But for them to do the e-brake thing, yes, I did pay literally $10,000 just for the e-brake. So that was kind of dumb on my end, but spin them, I'm burning them off. God, bro. Here, let's do a boosted launch really quick. And go. Dang. Holy. Holy bro, this thing is fast. That freaking boosted launch though, for real. 155, alright. Oh, bro, I just saw one of the people that I picked this truck up with here. I thought, bro, the perfect suspension test. A perfect suspension test in Ohio, though. Ow. Flexing test in Ohio be like. Yep, this is the world's most flexible truck. Right here. You're seeing it right now, ladies and gentlemen. World's most flexible truck. Yep, this right here. World's most flexible truck. See how much that thing is flexing? Uh-huh. And if you guys want to know how to get out of your truck and still be rolling coal, literally just be backed up to something that can stop it, and then hit the gas, and then just hop out, and it stays rolling coal. So, yeah, that's a little, like, I guess, a free hack in the video, I guess you could say. But, yeah, that's, I guess, really all that we can test this thing with for in this video. Maybe in the future we'll test it rock crawling, mudding, and all that good stuff. But, yeah.